Hi, my name's Matt, and a few weeks ago a family friend came by and told me that they were going to be replacing their door. Now, they didn't know what to do with the old door and they asked if I wanted to have it. I thought this was a great opportunity to not only get a free door, but to show you guys how to fix an old one. So, I'm going to make a couple of videos detailing just that. In this first video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove all the hardware and strip down the paint or lacquer or whatever it is on the door. So let's get started. Now this part is going to be relatively quick, as will most of the parts for this series. To remove the hardware, you just want to unscrew pretty much anything that's connected, and it should just fall right off. And with all the hinges off, I can move over to the bolts. Again, just remove all the screws and most of the stuff will just fall apart. Make sure to keep all of the hardware stored in some sort of bag so that way you can keep track of it. With all the hardware taken care of, it's time to start protecting any glass from the chemicals that I'm going to be using to strip the wood. And so I'm doing that with just some painter's tape and some old newspaper. With the glass protected and the hardware off, it's time to start stripping this door. I'm just using a cheap stripping agent that I got from Home Depot. And all you need to do is just generously brush on the stripping agent and then wait. With the stripping agent on, you just want to let it sit. It says for 15 to 30 minutes, but I find it's nice to give it an hour or two just to really soak into the wood. And this is so satisfying. Once you scrape all the straight pieces of wood, you can get in with a Brillo pad or some steel wool to clean off any of the contoured sections. There we go. The paint, or lacquer in this case, is completely stripped off. I have a ton of this crap to deal with. Now it's time to get on to the next part, which is going to be the next video, where I'm going to be sanding all of this and working on some of the scratches from the dogs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good one. I'll see you next week. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you with my next video.